Kavipriya and this is Sherina. Today இன்னைக்கான டாபிக்ல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படினா properties of fluids and the propertiesல என்னென்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா surface tension, bulk modulus of elasticity, compressibility and vapor pressure.
So in properties of fluid, first one is surface tension. It is represented by this term, and in order to demonstrate that, I'll take this as the layers of fluid, and these are the molecules, fluid molecules. So the fluid molecules, they exert a force here in this way, and it also exerts force upwards. Here what happens is, this is the free surface. This is free surface and this is earth. So what earth does is, it gives equal force when water droplets exert force on the earth's surface, it gives force back. That is, it is balanced. But here, when it is a free surface, when water exerts force, there will not be any balance because it cannot give any force back. So this is unbalanced force. So what we define surface tension is the unbalanced force on the exerted on the free surface by these water molecules per unit length. Per unit length is called as surface tension. And the unit for surface tension is Newton per meter, and the dimension is mt minus 2. So surface tension is F by L. When we multiply this equation with length, that is up and down, when we multiply with length, we get it as energy per unit area, and the unit is also joule per meter square. Next one is bulk modulus of elasticity. In bulk modulus of elasticity, it is represented by the term K, and it is called as, in negative, dP by dV by V. That is dP by change in the percentage of volume, which is equal to minus V dP by dV. It can be written after solving, it can be written as rho dP by dV. So the unit is Newton per meter square and the dimension is ml minus 1 T minus 1. Compressibility. Compressibility is denoted by the term P. This is the reciprocal of bulk modulus of elasticity. That is, we get the opposite of this, dP by rho dP. The unit is meter square per Newton, and the dimension is m minus 1 L T square. The next one is vapor pressure. For demonstrating vapor pressure, we take a closed container. In this closed container, we fill liquid, that is fluid, up to until this area, and the air inside is sucked out and it is made as vacuum. So after it is in vacuum, after a certain period of time, we can find that the liquid, it evaporates and form as vapors here. They form as vapors here, and there is a particular time when these vapors tend to form liquid, and the liquid present here tend to form as vapors. So this reaction happens, and when it is coming at the state of equilibrium, the pressure exerted by this vapors in this free surface at equilibrium in the closed container, it is called as vapor pressure. Sometimes the pressure inside the container, if it is less than the pressure exerted by the vapor, that is the pressure inside the container, if it is less than the pressure exerted by the vapor here, then the phenomenon is called as cavitation. The phenomenon is called as cavitation. Cavitation is nothing but in equilibrium, not in equilibrium, when the pressure inside the vessel, if it is less than the pressure exerted by the vapor, there shall be formation of bubbles. Bubbles form, and in the pipes too, the bubbles come and hit, and so we hear some noises, and that is called as cavitation.
Okay, today idhula vandu properties of fluids la surface tension, bulk modulus of elasticity, compressibility and vapor pressure paatho. Idu alaga explain panna Sherina ku thank you all.